The Blue Mosque in Yerevan is one of the most popular sites in the Armenian capital city. It's called the Blue Mosque because blue is the dominant color found at the entrance and on the tiles. Construction for the Blue Mosque began in the 18th century during the Persian reign over Armenia. The mosque was modeled after Persian mosques and is currently the only remaining mosque in Armenia. The Blue Mosque had first started construction in 1760 and was finally built between the years of 1764 and 68. Of more than 10 mosques once existing in Yerevan, the Blue Mosque was the only one to survive the Soviet era. Once the Soviet Union collapsed, it became immediately clear that the Blue Mosque was in need of serious renovations. That effort was funded by Iran. The Blue Mosque in Yerevan is now open to visitors after its restoration was completed in 1999. mosque in Yerevan has a long and colorful history. As of 2018, Yerevan's Blue Mosque is being considered to become a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located in the city center of Yerevan, about a 15-minute walk from the Republic Square. It's open to visitors daily from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 6 p.m.